Hello everyone, I am Vashisht from vashishtkapoor.com and today we are going to talk about Contabo and how to host multiple websites in a single Contabo VPS. Contabo VPS are really affordable and you get very good performance and a lot of resources in a very cheap cost. For the smallest plan, you get 8GB of RAM and 200GB of high-speed SSD storage for as low as 4.99 euros, which comes around 6.99 USD. And talking further, you get 400GB of high-speed SSD storage and 16GB of RAM for as low as 8.99 euros, which is almost 11.99 USD. So it's a really powerful server that you can host multiple websites, not multiple, maybe unlimited, as long as you have resources on your virtual machine. So let's go ahead and see how you can install the first website and add more to the same VPS. For this video, I've already deployed a VPS in Singapore location and the VPS comes at 8.99 euros per month and the Singapore location cost is 4.75 euros per month. So overall, it's almost 14 euros. So guys, I have already published a YouTube video review of Contabo Singapore VPS and also the normal Contabo VPS. So you can go and check out both the videos. I have given the link to those videos in the description below. So you can check out detailed videos and see how I deployed servers and what was the speed test results. So for this video, I will be installing CyberPanel on this server and host multiple websites using CyberPanel. Let me just give you a quick introduction to CyberPanel. CyberPanel works on the top of Open Lightspeed and it works also with Lightspeed Enterprise, which comes at a cost, but for free you can use CyberPanel with Open Lightspeed. And I have already published the video about how to install CyberPanel on a Contabo VPS as well, and I have linked that also in the description of this video. So go ahead, check out that video and install CyberPanel on your Contabo VPS, and from there resume this video. So for this video, I'll be using these two domains and host both the domains on the single Contabo VPS, which is this one. And let's just go ahead and see how it is done. So to log into my CyberPanel, I'll be using the IP address and add 8090 at the port and it'll open the CyberPanel login. So guys, as you can see, I'm already logged into my CyberPanel dashboard, and now from here you can manage users, websites, packages installed on your server, databases, and you can even control the DNS records of your domains. You can also control the FTP logins, create backups, create emails, manage SSL, and have the status of different services, and also configure the PHP versions, its configuration. You can also view logs and manage your security. Now, to create your first website in your CyberPanel, navigate to the websites menu on the left hand side and click on create website. In the create website page, select a package. You can create multiple hosting packages inside your CyberPanel if you are hosting multiple users on your server. For example, you can buy a server from Contabo and resell it and create multiple packages for different plans. But for this video, I'm just using the default package. You can choose the owner of the website, which is admin for now. You can create multiple users and change the owner for every user as well. Type the domain here, type an email, choose the PHP version that the site will be using. You can also choose the PHP 8.0 version, but for this site I'll be using PHP 7.4. And now you can choose from these features, which are SSL, DKIM, OpenBaseDR production, and also create mail domain. So you can manage everything right from your CyberPanel dashboard. Once you are done with all the details and all the fields, click on create a website. And once you do this, the SSL will also be installed along with the website's installation. So you need to make sure that your domain DNS record is already pointing to the server IP address. Let me show you in my Cloudflare dashboard of this website, which is this one. Navigate to the DNS records create an A record and type your server's IP address right here. As you can see, I have already added the IP address here. So most of the times, if you didn't do this before, what will happen? The SSL will not be installed and a self-signed SSL will be issued. So if you're getting any problems with SSL, then you need to again go back to your Cloudflare dashboard, fix the A record, and then again install the SSL. I will tell you that in the video further. So as you can see, the website is successfully installed, and when you will open the domain name, it will be opening the default CyberPanel page or maybe a 404 page. Let's see how it works. So when I open this domain, it opens a page which says CyberPanel is installed. So we have successfully installed CyberPanel and created a website, and it's pointing to the server IP address as well. So now you can use it to host WordPress, Magento or any other CMS using CyberPanel. Let me show you how you can do that. But before that, let's add more sites to this panel. To do this, you need to do it the same way. You will go to the websites menu in the left hand panel and then click on create a website. Just like we did for the first website, choose a package, choose the owner, type the domain here, type an email address. You can type your own email address as well here. Choose the PHP version, choose all these features, and before clicking create a website, make sure the domain is already pointing to the server IP. Copy your server IP from here and then go to your DNS records in Cloudflare, go to the domain and add it in an A record. Once you are done, then click on create a website. So as you can see, it's again going the same process and will be installing one more website on the same server. Likewise, you can host unlimited website on this CyberPanel because there is no limit as far as you have resources on your server. So guys, this website is also successfully created, and now you can open that website also, and it will also open the same page. So guys, for this video, we have successfully created two websites in a single control panel using the same VPS. So you can see the list of the websites by going to websites and clicking list websites menu, and see both the websites are listed right here, and you can create more and more websites from here. Now one more thing you would like to consider, for example, if you didn't update your DNS records before creating the website in your CyberPanel, which results in SSL installation failure, so you can go to list websites again and then click on this issue SSL button, and it will create a Let's Encrypt free SSL in your website. So now if you want to install WordPress or any other CMS using CyberPanel, simply click on manage and it will take you to the control panel of the single website. And here you can manage everything about the website. So let's start. You can first monitor the resources, see the disk usage used by this specific website, how much bandwidth has been used, and you can navigate to the access log and error logs. You can add more domains to the same website, to the same account. You can add domain aliases and check out the cron jobs. Further, configuring the vhost configuration file, which is an advanced level thing. If you want to actually do it, you know how to configure it, then you can configure each aspect of the server using the vhost configuration. Rewrite rules are simply htaccess rules, and you can configure your own SSL certificate also. Once you click on this button, you will be able to paste your CRT file here and the PEM key right here. And once you click on save, you will be able to configure your own purchased SSL also in this website. You can change the PHP version from here and it will work like success. And then moving further, you can manage files, you can create FTP accounts and delete FTP accounts. And you can also do email marketing in this server. You can configure SMTP host, manage lists, create lists, and create an email and then further shoot them away. And this is where we need to focus. You can install these applications with one-click installation. You can install WordPress with Lightspeed Cache pre-installed using CyberPanel from this link. You can install Joomla, Git, PrestaShop, Magento and Mautic. For this video, I'll be using WordPress plus LSCache to install WordPress on this website. So, installing WordPress is also very easy in Cyberpanel. You just need to type your blog title, simply write a username, choose a login password, type in your WordPress administrator email and leave the path empty to install in the home directory, which is the default. If you want to install in bustle.co/wp or something like that, then you can choose the path right here and click on install now. Once you click on install now, it will create the database and configure the WordPress application on your server, and also it will be coming with pre-installed LSCache plugin. Now once you see it's successfully installed, now you can reload this website and you will see the default WordPress page. Likewise, you can install other CMS on the other domain and you can host unlimited websites on this server. So guys, as you know, we used Contabo VPS to install unlimited websites in a single VPS for this video, and the cost of these servers is really cheap. I have added my affiliate link down below in the description of this video, so you can go ahead, click those links and create your own powerful VPS with the cheapest cost available. Definitely those are my affiliate links. When you click on it, I'll get some commission out of it and you won't be paying any extra cost for clicking my links. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to it, and if you learned something new today, please like this video and I will see you in the next video.